couple of anecdotes. First, I'm on, Representative James mentioned he's on House Appropriations. I'm on the Senate counterpart, Senate Finance. We haven't got our hands on House Bill 2 yet. They're still tinkering with it in the House. But we have had a number of hearings on department budgets. And so we have the Martinez administration cabinet coming before us. These are not the old tax and spend Democrats of the Richardson administration. This is the new lean and mean Martinez cabinet that's coming before us. To a person, they have begged that the highest possible budget be given to them because they know that the cuts that we've been talking about in House Bill 2, or at least in the LFC version, the interim committee's version of House Bill 2, the budget, are going to be very, very difficult, if not impossible, to make work. There is no fat left in the budget. They would be the first ones to tell you that. And you can go through the Health Department, the Children, Youth and Families Department, the Human Services Department, Workforce Solutions. They've Energy and Natural Resources. Harrison Schmidt, when he was still in the cabinet, came before us to say, well, this isn't really our budget. We need to make some changes in it because this is going to be very difficult. Maybe we need to get some fees increased or something. The reality is we've cut all the fat out of the budget. What's being cut now is vital tissue, organs, and we're bleeding badly. The governor recognizes that. Now she's opened the door to consideration of tax credits and our tax expenditure part of the budget because she opened up the movie industry. She said we should cut back on that tax break, and she's calling it Hollywood. She's saying, why should our school kids have to suffer so that Hollywood can prosper? When the people from the movie industry in New Mexico come to us, they're not Hollywood. These are people who have a carpet cleaning business that has a contract with movie companies to clean up after they've done. This is a catering business. This is a transportation business. These are people who work as the gophers and the equipment haulers. These are local people earning decent salaries because of that break. She's willing to take a look at cutting that tax break, but not all the other tax breaks that we've been laboring with over the last several years. This is a crucial issue. Why do they want to keep cutting in the face of the fact that we've given huge breaks? They want to keep cutting because, and Mr. Gessing let the cat out of the bag. The public education system is a rat hole. They want to end basic public services. That's the real agenda behind this cutting. They know that we've down way below fat. We're down now into vital organs and into living tissue. What they would like to see done is the privatization of healthcare, privatization of public education, and essentially the elimination of government's ability to meet the basic needs so that it will not be able to regulate private industry. Concomitant with our tax cutting is this whole thing about saying government has been over-regulating. We need to take away those regulations so that industry can rise in the full flower of its manhood and do what it does best, which is pollute. That's the agenda. Listen carefully, read between the lines. That's what's happening. We're not seeing a balancing budget effort. We're seeing a destroy government effort. Thank you very much.